Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. I like to share my experiences. So I shattered one of the side mirror of my car. I tried to fix it, but it cost a lot of money. So I decided to go on Amazon and I found this product. You can just stick it to your existing structure. It's very easy. You are going to see how I did it. You are going to have a mirror and two-sided stickers. I liked this product because it's simple to install. Make sure that they stick very well to it. Unfortunately, a few weeks after filming this video, I was involved in a car accident and my car was totaled. No, it wasn't caused by this mirror. Somebody else hits my car. I mentioned it because I was glad that I did not spend a lot of money fixing this mirror. Keep pressing on it to make sure it sticks to it very well. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it.